Alright guys, hold up. Today we will be doing I'll be cooking. Today I'll be cooking public lobbies. And it's gonna be normal lobbies. Okay. And I'm a little bit sick right now, so let's just get try to cook. Holy Jesus.
Imagine, everybody. Imagine.
Oh,
I like burning.
Three passes, just go around. Awesome.
Single blast. Oh, I'm not
Single
last.
blast.
Oh shoot, I'm stuck. Oh, that's gonna be.
This lag. Oh my god.
I did not see you.
My controller's already losing track.
I can sometimes never move. That's how scared I am. Oh shoot! I did not see you.
Come here!
Oh dang it, GG's. Oh, that scared me.
Who's left? So we have blue and orange.
Yo, I promise you.
Orange punching. GHTY. Okay. Oh lord, hold up. To be honest. Oh, there he is.
Don't follow me.
Come here. Oh snap. She's locking in. Come here. Come here.
No!
Yo, why is your head turned like that?
Holy flick tag.
Why does your head turn like that?
So hard.
Why does his head turn like that?
Yo, who the hell was last?
Why does his head turn like that?
Black?
Why? Hey, bro, why does your head turn like that? Why does bro's head turn like that? Oh, I forgot how to push on. I'm dumb. Dumb. Yeah.
Oh, you're the last person. And you're the one that was burning down all the trees, huh?
Yeah.
Because I see you have something that's compared to us. You made us lava.
Alright.
Please, I'll give you macaroni and cheese.
Wait, did we tag everybody? Oh, never mind.
Sweet fruit wrap.
Oh.
Hi.
I'm saying.
Hi. Hi. Yeah. I don't want to get tagged just yet.
Yo.
We can't promise anything, but I mean everybody.
Why does my controller keep on?
Yeah. Well,
Bro said he didn't want to get tagged yet.
I seem tired a bit. No. There we go.
I got orange. Guys, that was the easiest tag of my life. Little juke.
No, that wasn't, buddy. Yeah. Goofy all laugh.
You had to do nothing for that.
Where's the lava monkey? Lava monkey, come to purple. He has white glasses on and headphones. Please come to him.
Oh my god, I hate this tracking. Yo, I just bought new batteries and this tracking is.
You got it, guy. You got 2 feet. You got 3. You got 3. Oh shit. You do it. I'm on. It's after you. Run now.
One juke.
You did it. Not really. Found a good lobby.
Blue behind you.
Oh, how you doing? Ooh, that was close.
I'm sorry, that's all I gotta say, I'm sorry. Wait!
Die. Wait!
Wait!
There's no waiting. There's only hunting.
Oh, I'm sick by the way. I have the flu.
Wait, what time is it?
6, 7.
I have to do a person.
I'm dying over here.
Bye! I have to go.
Anyways, guys, that's it for the video.